Are you looking for an ultimate tool to convert DXL files into PST, PDF and MSG file format easily? We bring you the perfect solution with SysTools DXL converter software. Now let's check out the main features of the software. Transfer unlimited DXL messages of Lotus Notes into PST format. Convert DXL with rich text, saved in both text formats, HTML and plain. Auto search, load, and preview DXL messages along with attachments. Supports conversion of Lotus DXL, RTF to PDF. Now let's check out the prerequisites before installing the software. Please launch the tool as run as administrator if you are using these Windows, Microsoft.NET Framework 4.5 and above. 512 MB RAM is required and 50 MB of disk space. Now let's install and run the tool to check its working process. Here you can see, the software comes with a simple and user-friendly interface. Here you can choose the Add File button to start adding DXL files. Now a small dialog box opens. Here you have two options to browse your DXL files, File option and Folder option. Now choose the Select Path option and browse the DXL files folder from the desired system location. After selecting the required folder, then hit the OK button. After making the desired options, then click the Add button to proceed further. In the next window, on the left side of the screen, you will find the folder lists. Click the folder to load its data on the right side menu pane. You can also check the Switch View option to view your files horizontal or vertical view. You can pick any of them as per your requirement. Select the Attachment tab to preview attachments present inside a particular email. Now choose the files you want to export by selecting the checkbox option. Then right-click and select the Export button. In this window, you can see the multiple exporting options. Now let's check out the main export option. You can select the Export button on the top navigation menu. Now you can select the required folders or all folders as per your requirement for exporting process. On the left side, you can see exporting options. You can pick any of them as per your requirement. Here you can see the PST option is selected by default. Let's continue with PST option. Select the Mail Filter checkbox option too. You can filter emails of specific duration from the DXL file. You can check Split PST option. Lets you split output PST file according to specific size mentioned in either MB or GB. Now click the Browse button to choose a destination folder to save the output files. After selecting a folder, then click OK button. Below check the Use Outlook checkbox option. Now hit the Export button to initiate the exporting process. After the process completes successfully, then click OK. Now Export Report window appears with further details. Click the Save button to save the export report in CSV file format. Now let's check out the output files. Here you can see the export report in CSV file format. Now you can import output PST file in Outlook in order to preview the details. And that's it. Hope you enjoy the video. Log on to the given product page for more details on purchasing the product. For any query, mail us at support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.